Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Youper application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store on your device and then tap on the search box and simply search for Youper. Once you find the application, you will also see the install button. So go ahead and tap on it, and this will begin the download and installation of the Youper application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and then when you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the app. Once the application is opened up, you can continue with signing into your existing account or signing up and creating a new one to start using it. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Youper application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.